Hey guys, it's Matt with Majestic. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things. So right now here in Montana, we're pretty cold. So we go to rinseless washes and waterless washes. So for you guys that don't know, a rinseless wash is a 2-bucket method where, for instance, we use McKee's, so it's 1 ounce per 2 gallons of water. So that's your solution, and that's your rinse bucket. So you'll dump your microfiber mitt or your microfiber mop head, and you'll do that, and you'll go panel by panel. And that's kind of how we got this looking the way we're looking. But what I'm seeing is the drop in quality from people doing rinseless and waterless washes, the quality of your tires. So I'm going to show a method here today that we use. I'm not saying you have to use it, but when you're doing a rinseless or waterless wash, you know, cracks and crevices, they're hard to get clean. Fender wells, stuff like that. So what we do here on these is pretty simple. We have our waterless wash, which is in a bottle, and we will hit the tire with it with McKee's. Shout out to McKee's, you guys rock. We'll also hit the fender well, hit the rim. You know, get that nice and good. The stuff's cheap. It lasts a long time. Get you a tire brush. Takes no time at all to brush the tire. I mean, it's really simple. Then at this point, we have a knockoff Tornador. It's Joint Stars. As you can see, it's here. We have our Tornador here. Shout out to Tornador. Wonderful tools. This also has the McKee's mixture in it. So then we'll hit the tire. We'll blow the fender wells down. Any cracks and crevices from the headlights and stuff like that, we'll hit with this as well. So you hit your rim, turn around, grab yourself a towel. Wipe your rim thoroughly. I'll even use that towel one last time to do a wipe on the tire. And then this goes into the tire and rim towels. Washed separately, taken care of separately. Pretty easy, but a good way to take care of rims, tires, cracks, crevices. Just because it's cold and we're going to those washes, we still want our customers and our clients looking good. You can see. But thanks. If you guys could like and subscribe to my channel, that would help me out a lot. I'm trying to do about 1 video to 2 videos a week. I appreciate it. If there's anything you guys want me to put out or talk about, drop a comment. I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much.